My guy, what is up?
Yo, what's good, TSP?
What's good?
What are you doing?
I'm about to record my 1,000 subscriber special. He was my 1,000 subscriber.
My teaspoons.
Alright, later, bud. Great way to start off this video. Yo guys, TSP here from TSP Tech, and my last video was my 1,000 subscriber special, and I told you guys to give me questions using the hashtag AskTSP, and I'm a little late, I know. In fact, we're almost at 1,100 subscribers, so thank you for that. But I have your questions right here on my phone. Let's answer them. Sparty says, congratulations, man, you deserve it. Thank you. Hashtag AskTSP, what sort of video styles do you prefer to make? Your tech videos or videos on your other channel, and explain why. I prefer to make these tech videos because I generally have more fun making them, shooting the b-roll, putting the edit together with all the music and everything like that. I mean, don't get me wrong, my main channel videos are pretty fun to make, but I enjoy making these tech videos. I only make more main channel videos because it's easier to make. Like, these tech videos take like a month to make with school, work, plus this. It's really hard on me. But 2019, I'm going to try putting more effort into this channel and trying to grow it even more. So yes, I like making tech videos more because they're more fun generally to make, and I love talking about technology with you guys. In for the win 32 says, was your PC build the best you could have done for $1,500, or could you have gotten better specs? Hashtag AskTSP. Well, basically, yes, I could have gotten better specs if I waited longer, but there were also more opportunities that I took with building this PC a little earlier, but at the time it was the best I can do, and I'm happy with my PC. I'm more than happy with it. Do I regret making it? No, I love it. It's been working great ever since. There's been a couple of blue screens, but other than that, it's working just perfectly. Apple Tech Spot asks, what made you want to do YouTube? Hashtag AskTSP. What makes me want to do YouTube? Mainly the feedback. The feedback that I get from you guys that are saying, oh, great video, amazing work, good cinematography and all that stuff. Like, it really warms my heart, and I'm really appreciative for every single person that comments every single thing. Like, every day when I post a new video, I always look forward to replying to your comments and seeing your comments. It's the one thing that makes me, want to post videos. So basically, if there was no one there watching my videos and commenting on them, I'd be like, sure, I'll post like occasionally, but I'm trying to post more for you guys because the feedback that I'm getting is just so amazing, and the feedback is definitely the biggest main motivator for this. Like, money wasn't even a factor. Like, guys, you have to have like 1,000 subscribers to get monetized, and for the longest time I've been below 1,000 subscribers, and I've been still making tech videos, so the money had no effect on me. The main factor was you guys commenting, watching, liking, and all the positive feedback I get, so I really appreciate it, and I'm so thankful for it. Where's my shout out? Well, Christoph, at the beginning of the video, you heard someone on the phone. That was Christoph, my 1,000th subscriber, so thank you for that. And here is your shout out. Ooh, here's a great question. Praveen asks, hashtag AskTSP, what do you like more, Twitch or YouTube? Now, Twitch and YouTube, although they may seem similar, are two completely different things. Twitch is live, YouTube is like produced videos, so it's much easier to have an audience on YouTube because you can edit your stuff out. Like, you can edit the boring stuff out and you can just make it an entertaining vlog or something like that. Whereas Twitch, there's no editing out, so you have to be entertaining 24/7. That's why people with really out there personalities like Ninja, Tfue, all of them, that's why they have a lot of followers on Twitch, because they have great personalities and they're able to entertain an audience without cutting boring stuff out.
Stream sniping.
I prefer YouTube because you can edit stuff out, because personally I have kind of a bland personality, but yeah, I definitely prefer YouTube over Twitch. And that about wraps up my very first Q&A on this channel. Thank you for everyone who submitted questions. If you want to submit questions for the next Q&A, just leave them down below with the hashtag AskTSP. I'll answer them in the next Q&A, possibly when we hit 2,000 subscribers. But thank you for watching. Thank you for almost 1,100 subscribers, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.